Let's get right to it then. So just bend your both knees up for me and slide down a little bit towards your feet. That's good there. And then I'm going to have you go, let's do this, hands behind the neck. Yep. So I'm going to bring you this way. Let's see what we got up here. That's tender. More so higher up.
Yeah, look up in there.
All right.
Right where your fingers are right now.
Yep. So nice deep breath in. Let it all go. A little push through here. There we go. Okay, let's let that marinate for a minute. While we check the neck. Did you get the gutter fixed?
I did.
Good.
I did. $40 later, the clamps that I needed weren't too expensive. They were nails that they originally put in.
Yeah.
So I went and got some screw-in brackets. So I hooked them up. Now it's nice and sturdy up there.
That's not going anywhere.
Now that left side's
That
tender
right there, I feel that. So that's C2. And we're going to do rotation here. Nice and easy. Good. Should be a little bit better when I push through.
Yeah. That right.
Right there.
Yeah.
A little push down through here just like that. Good.
That felt good.
I need one of those.
Yeah, right.
I have to wait until tomorrow. Unless you can do my adjustment.
I think I've heard you worse.
These are okay?
Yep.
Good.
Yeah, feel it in the middle of my bag.
So let's go hands behind the neck again. We're going to go a little bit lower this time. Nice deep breath in. Let it all go. Good. Sound like dominoes.
That's good.
Let's go on your stomach. And discomfort when I bring the legs up.
A little bit.
A little
Not
bit.
too much, but a little bit.
So that left side is a lot shorter. Oh, and we're losing shoes.
All right. That's really tender.
That's tender. How about above it?
Yeah.
And above that.
Yeah.
Above that.
Not as much.
All right, we've got some work to do. So this piece is coming up. That's okay.
Yep.
And these are going to go upwards nice and easy. There we go. And then I'll have you lay on your right side.
Yep.
This position's okay?
Yeah.
So we're going to go right through here. The other side. And I'm going to switch these up. There we go. And we're going to bring the hip down on this side. A little push right through here. Ready? On your belly. Should be even, and that's looking a lot better. So let's recheck these. How are we doing here?
Much better.
Better? Above it?
That was a little sore.
Above that.
Tiny bit.
So I'm going to do a few more on this segment here.
That one is a little tender, but
Still a little bit
yeah.
above that.
Yeah, like it's like not painful, but it's uncomfortable.
Got it. Definitely some tightness up there.
I'm building a monster for Dada.
Good job.
Right in there.
Yeah.
So let me have you sit all the way up.
Right.
Right in there. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do, sit up nice and straight. And turn your head all the way to the right. To the left. Right. Left. Definitely a lot tighter on this left side.
Yeah, that's where it hurts the most.
Right.
But that was the one I was like doing everything with my right hand yesterday, so I was holding on with
Ah.
my left.
Look all the way up to the ceiling. And down to the floor. All the way up. And down. Last one all the way up. And down. Okay. There we are, sir.
Perfect. I feel much better. Thank
Good.
you.
Absolutely.
I always feel better.